Hello guys, welcome to Azure Bastion learning series. In this video, I'm going to speak about Bastion architecture. Azure Bastion is a PaaS resource which is deployed into a VNet. You need a dedicated subnet named Azure Bastion subnet in order to deploy a Bastion into the VNet. Since Azure Bastion is deployed into a subnet, you can actually apply an NSG on top of the subnet. There are specific considerations that you need to think about before applying a subnet. I will be covering it in a separate video later. So let's look into the user experience. When a user logs into a portal, user navigate to a VM to which he need to connect to. In the in the portal, there is an option called connect. When you click on connect, there you get an option whether you want to connect to the VM via Bastion or not. So you click on Bastion and enter the user credentials. Once the credentials are entered, you will be able to see the login screen of the VM in a new tab or a new window. Now let's look into the actual flow. From the portal, a connectivity is made to the Bastion. So when you deploy Bastion, you will be able to see a URL. So portal makes a connectivity to the URL, which is the Bastion host. So that connectivity is basically happening over HTTPS over port 443. So Bastion will act as a protocol translator where Bastion actually converts the HTTP or HTTPS or SSL protocol data into a RDP or SSL session. Now, if you take a packet capture in an Azure VM and check what is the source IP address, you will be able to see an IP address from Bastion subnet. It's a private IP address, which means the connectivity between Azure Bastion and your VMs in the VNet is going to happen over the private IP address. Since the communication between the Bastion and the VMs are going to happen over private IP address, you don't need to allow port 3389 and 22 explicitly in the NSG. The reason is the default virtual network rule allows the communication between two subnets inside a same VNet. Azure Bastion is a VMSS based deployment which gets deployed in a different subscription which is managed by Azure, and you just have a management portal or a management blade where you can control Bastion. So when you use Bastion, you don't need an RDP or SSH client to do it. So basically, you can just use Bastion from the portal itself. Let's speak about the key features of Azure Bastion in the next session. Thank you.